What's up guys, today we're going to take a look at the 5 best heating pads on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Pure Enrichment Pure Relief XL King Size Heating Pad. When it comes to finding the perfect heating pad that offers both versatility and unparalleled comfort, look no further. Our extra-large heating pad is designed to target multiple areas of your body, including your shoulders, back, abdomen, and more. With its innovative features and exceptional performance, this heating pad is truly a game-changer. This heating pad is its luxuriously soft material, which provides a gentle and soothing experience that feels like wrapping yourself in a cozy blanket. Say goodbye to rough and uncomfortable heating pads that irritate your skin. Our heating pad offers the perfect balance of softness and functionality. But that's not all. We believe in providing our customers with the utmost convenience. That's why our heating pad comes with an impressive 9-foot cord. No more struggling to find an outlet that's within reach. Whether you want to relax on the couch or unwind in bed, our heating pad allows you to do so without any limitations. Worried about the durability of your heating pad? Rest assured, we've got you covered. Our product is backed by an exceptional 5-year warranty, providing you with peace of mind and assurance that you're investing in a high-quality and long-lasting heating pad. We believe in the longevity of our product and we're confident that it will exceed your expectations. Don't just take our word for it, our heating pad has garnered over 65K reviews and an impressive 4.5-star rating on the trusted online marketplace, Amazon. Customers can't stop raving about the exceptional customer service provided by our brand and the outstanding overall performance of our product. It's time to experience the ultimate comfort and convenience with our extra-large heating pad. If you're in search of a heating pad that offers versatility, comfort, and durability, our extra-large pick is the perfect choice. Its soft material, extended cord, and exceptional warranty make it an outstanding investment. Number 2. Sunbeam Standard Size Heating Pad. Are you tired of dealing with persistent aches and pains? Look no further than the Sunbeam Super Affordable Heating Pad, your go-to companion for unbeatable comfort and targeted relief. Crafted with precision and designed for exceptional performance, this heating pad is a game-changer in the world of pain management. Say goodbye to temporary fixes and welcome lasting relief. The Sunbeam Super Affordable Heating Pad offers the unique advantage of moist heat therapy. Simply spray the cover with water to activate the moist heat feature, allowing the warmth to penetrate deeper into your muscles and joints, providing unparalleled comfort and relaxation. We understand that one size does not fit all. That's why the Sunbeam Super Affordable Heating Pad is available in both standard and extra-large sizes. Whether you require targeted relief for a specific area or need full body coverage, our heating pad has you covered. Say goodbye to discomfort and enjoy the soothing warmth wherever you need it most. Designed with your convenience in mind, this heating pad features a generous cord length, ensuring freedom of movement and effortless use. No more struggling to find a nearby outlet or compromising your comfort due to limited mobility. With the Sunbeam Super Affordable Heating Pad, you can relax and enjoy the benefits of soothing heat without any restrictions. While the Sunbeam Super Affordable Heating Pad offers unbeatable value, we understand that comfort is paramount. The polyester exterior provides a durable and reliable surface, although it may not match the plushness of other heating pads. For those seeking a softer feel and willing to invest a bit more, we recommend the Premium King Size Heating Pad from Sunbeam. This premium model features a luxuriously soft pad and offers 6 adjustable heat settings, allowing you to customize your experience according to your preferences. Take charge of your well-being with the Sunbeam Super Affordable Heating Pad. It is not just a heating pad, it's a transformative tool that empowers you to manage and alleviate pain effectively. From its advanced features and budget-friendly price to the option for upgraded comfort, this heating pad is your trusted companion on the journey to a pain-free life. Experience the unmatched relief and discover the secret to a life without discomfort. Number 3. Giniani Extra Large Electric Heating Pad XL. When it comes to finding the perfect heating pad, look no further than this highly acclaimed gem boasting almost 17K reviews on Amazon. While our independent testing is yet to be conducted in our state-of-the-art labs, we couldn't resist sharing the exciting features that make this heating pad a top contender. Brace yourself for a delightful, warm embrace like no other. Rapid warm-up for instant comfort. Imagine the luxury of a heating pad that warms up in under 30 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. According to the brand, this cutting-edge heating pad offers swift heat generation, ensuring that you can bask in soothing warmth almost instantaneously. Say goodbye to waiting around and hello to immediate relief. Nothing compares to the feeling of snuggling up to a soft and fuzzy material that wraps you in pure comfort. This remarkable heating pad is thoughtfully crafted with a plush cozy texture, providing an indulgent and soothing experience. Embrace the sensation of gentle warmth while enjoying unparalleled comfort like never before. Leave no area untouched. With its generous extra-large size, this heating pad offers versatility that knows no bounds. Whether you're targeting specific muscle groups or seeking all-over relaxation, this pad has you covered literally. Experience the joy of customizable relief tailored to your unique needs. A world of possibilities. The beauty of this heating pad extends beyond its traditional functionality. If desired, you have the option to explore the benefits of moist heat therapy. Unlock a new level of relaxation as the moist heat penetrates deeply into your muscles, helping to alleviate tension and enhance your overall well-being. Experience the transformative power of this innovative method. With almost 17K reviews on Amazon, it's clear that this heating pad has captured the hearts of countless users. Embrace the wisdom of the crowd and join the ranks of satisfied customers who have found solace in the warm embrace of this exceptional product. Number 4. Admir Rubber Hot Water Bottle. If the thought of cords and electrical outlets sends shivers down your spine, fret not. There's a delightful alternative for soothing pain, cramps, and soreness that will leave you untangled and hassle-free. Introducing the hot water bottle, a timeless classic that brings comfort and relief without the fuss. Prepare to indulge in a world of soothing warmth and tranquility. Say goodbye to bland and uninspiring pain relief solutions. Our hot water bottle is available in a range of vibrant colors that will uplift your spirits. Additionally, it comes with a cozy knit sleeve, adding a touch of elegance to your experience. With its pleasing aesthetics and functional design, this hot water bottle is a true embodiment of both style and substance. Using the hot water bottle is a breeze. Just add hot water to the designated compartment, tighten the secure top, and voila. You're ready to immerse yourself in soothing warmth. No cords, no complicated buttons, just pure, uncomplicated relief at your fingertips. Experience the joy of simplicity with this remarkable pain relief companion. This multifunctional wonder isn't limited to providing warmth alone. In times of swelling and discomfort, you can transform the hot water bottle into a cold compress. Simply fill it with cold water or ice and let it work its magic. With this versatile companion, you have the power to adapt to your body's changing needs. While we encourage you to enjoy the benefits of this hot water bottle, we must emphasize the importance of caution and careful handling. When dealing with hot water, our team of experts urges you to exercise extreme care. Ensure the lid is securely fastened before use, and always test the temperature to avoid any mishaps. Your safety is our top priority. In a world filled with cords and clutter, the hot water bottle stands out as a beacon of convenience and simplicity. It provides portable pain relief on demand, anytime, anywhere. Bid farewell to the limitations of electrical outlets and revel in the freedom of this portable companion. Number 5. Confident Weighted Heating Pad. If you're a devoted fan of the soothing embrace of weighted blankets, prepare to be captivated by this exceptional 2-in-1 gem. Combining the benefits of a weighted blanket with the luxurious warmth of a heating pad, this remarkable creation is here to elevate your comfort to new heights. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world of personalized relaxation and tranquility. Say goodbye to generic heat levels and embrace a personalized experience. This innovative heating pad offers a staggering 9 heat levels, allowing you to find the perfect warmth that suits your unique needs. Additionally, the memory function ensures that your favorite settings are effortlessly saved, ensuring seamless comfort every time. Embrace the serenity of a restful night's sleep with the peace of mind that comes from safety features designed specifically for bedtime use. With 11 auto-off timers, ranging from 30 minutes to 9 hours, you can drift off to dreamland without care. Rest assured that this heating pad will turn off automatically, providing you with a worry-free slumber. Indulge your senses with the heavenly softness of flannel polyester. This heating pad is carefully crafted with this premium material, ensuring a gentle and cozy touch against your skin. Machine washable for effortless maintenance, this exceptional creation is built to provide long-lasting comfort without compromising on quality. As you immerse yourself in the comforting warmth, revel in the benefits of the interior composition. This heating pad boasts 2.2 pounds of glass beads, artfully distributed to ensure even weight distribution across your body. The result? A blissful cocoon of pressure that eases tension and promotes a profound sense of relaxation. While our labs have yet to review this particular pick, we are enamored by its impressive features and attention to detail. Rest assured, we're constantly seeking ways to enhance your comfort and well-being, and this remarkable creation has piqued our interest. Embrace the harmonious blend of a weighted blanket and a heating pad, revolutionizing your relaxation routine. Elevate your comfort, indulge in personalized heat, and enjoy the luxury of premium materials. Experience the epitome of comfort and tranquility with this exceptional 2-in-1 marvel. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.